Hi everyone, welcome to today's episode of Lumion tutorial. In today's video, we'll be looking at how do we transfer the materials of a model to another model in a different project. In this project, I've already edited the materials of this model that you see in my project. And to do the transferring, first I have to go to the Materials tab at the bottom left. Once I did that, I have to click on one of the materials on that model. Upon doing so, on the top right corner, there's a small little panel appearing. And then on the panel, you can actually just click on this button called Save Material Set. And this will allow me to save all the materials that I've used for this particular model onto an external file. So I'm going to save it over here under this file name. Okay, once I did that, I will switch over to another project that I'm working on. And I'm going to replace the materials that I'm using on this second project with the materials that I've just saved out previously. Okay, so in order to bring the materials to this model, I need to click on the Materials tab at the bottom left, select one of the materials on this model, and then on the top right corner, click on the button Load Material Set. Select the material set that I've just saved out just now. Open it. Okay, once I click open, they will be able to detect what are the materials that I've changed just now. And I'm going to click on the button Override Materials. And now you will be able to see all the materials have been brought over to this particular model in this project. And I'm going to save the changes. And this will complete the transferring of the materials from one model to another in a different project. That's the end of this episode of Lumion tutorial. Thanks for watching.